Hi dear students, today through this video we are going to learn how to execute the Java programs in BlueJ environment. There are so many editors we have, but for the learning purpose we have to go for this BlueJ. It is quite easy to access, and you should get the BlueJ software through the original website of BlueJ, that is www.bluej.org. From there you can download the BlueJ latest version and you can install it in your system, and the icon will be appear on the desktop. So if you click on it, then definitely you are getting this window. So first thing we have to go on, we have to create a project file. So you have to click on project, you have to click on option new project. What is this? If you click on here, a window will be appear. Here is we are giving a project title. Project consists of different classes which you are going to execute. So suppose I am giving the project name first project. Right? So that through this first project I can create my classes and execute the different programs. Now click on OK here. Once you click on, you finding out and the window will be appearing over there. The top of the title bar, your first project title will be displaying over here. Now we have to create my own class. So for this reason I have to first go to the option called new class. If you click on it, you finding out another window will be appear. So here in different options we are getting class, abstract class, interface, unit test, enum, Java FX class. These are all the portions except class are not in the syllabus. Later on we are going to be learned in the higher classes. And first thing here we have to give the class name. Suppose the class name I am giving prog, short form of program. Any valid name you can give it. After that click on OK. So if you click on OK, then definitely you'll finding out icon which is look like that, it will be appear over here, and it is indicating there is a slashes but diagonally it is given. And once you click on double click on it here, just go and double click, you finding out the window will be appear. Here some of the code has been written by default. So first thing you have to remove the code. How not all the, you select it on the top of the portion which is written for the comment section. If you click on it, press the delete key, and then suppose whatever rest of the things will delete it. First we have to delete the entire one. Now I have to write my program. Whatever I have written for the sample in the class, same program I am going to write right now. So public static void main. Then you have to give the first opening brackets. Then we have to give the s for the string. Then args. Then bracket close. After that we have to go for another braces to open the main function. Here we have to write it int x comma y comma z semicolon. X equals to, we have written over here 100 semicolon. You know the semicolon is very important for indicate to the compiler this line is already over, so compiler going to execute the next line. I am giving the blank not for the, it's a rule, I make it clearly understanding. For all programs you are required to give the blank. Next we have to give z equals to x plus y semicolon, and finally we have to print the output. So we have to go for sys print. You can, for the first time you should go for only print, and rest of the times whenever display so many things one after another, you should go for the ln. So initially we have to go for like this, then z, then semicolon is over. Now you have to closing the braces of this one and then closing the braces for main. You understand the indicating of the different applications. So whatever we are got it, this is the original program which I was given in the class. Now after written this program, you should come to the compile button, which is on corner, left corner of the one. If you just click on here, compile, you're finding out here is G is not printed, so I am giving the G here. Yeah. Now after that, once again come to the compile. If you click on compile option, you finding out nothing will be showing. At the bottom it is showing class compiled, no syntax errors. Once you get this statement, you understand that your program is absolutely okay. Now you have to close it by click on the close button. Now you're finding out your icon will be appear little bit clear look likes. It is indicating your program has already compiled successfully. Now just click on the mouse pointer and then right click on it. You're finding out the main function will be appear, void main string args. If you just click on here, another window is coming. Just nothing you have to do. You should just click on the OK one. So if you click on OK button, you're finding out the another window is coming, which basically used to show the output. It is known as BlueJ terminal window. And since we have done the sum is 300, so this is the result is showing over there. And after getting this one, we can easily close the window, and definitely we can come to the new class to execute another program. So students, like this we have done and try to, definitely we are getting how to execute a Java program in the BlueJ environment. So thank you to all. Please practice at home this sort of programs which I am going to give in the class. Thank you.